Hey, what's up you guys? It's Zach with PCBros, and it is that time of year again. It is Black Friday deals. I would like to share with you some deals that have been put together by the PCBros employees, and the deals are generically tech related. So if you're a PC gamer, you're definitely not going to want to miss this. But before we get into that, I want to show you some Black Friday deals that PCBros is actually offering this year. So you'll notice some of our PCs have discounted prices. We have slashed as many of the pre-builts as we can. And you can see here on the left that you can save upwards of $300 on select PCs. It really depends on the deals that we got. And we got a lot of these before the RAM increase. And for the rest of November, every single PC purchase is going to be coming with an extra large PCBros mouse mat and an electronics cleaning kit that is very helpful, especially if you're actually wanting to take care of your PC. And you have exactly 1 week left to enter in the November sweepstakes that will actually be drawing the winner on December 1st. So make sure you get this absolutely free chance to enter and win a free gaming PC. Now let's get into the 5 Amazon Black Friday deals that were actually found by PCBros employees, starting with this set of speakers or monitors. And these are actually a really good deal and a really good quality according to Jonah from PCBros. And as you can see here in the price chart, we're just going to uncheck all of those. And I'm going to do new. And as you can see throughout the year, this has dropped to that same price a few times. But for Black Friday for $55, and what Jonah has said is a very good quality speaker system, you can't really go wrong, especially if you don't want to wear headphones all the time. You're going to need good speakers. And those cheap like $20 USB ones usually just don't cut it for me personally. So if you're a gamer, you want good sound, spending that extra little bit of money to get something very high quality like this might be worth it to check out. All right, so now for what are probably going to be the best Black Friday deals that you can find on Amazon are for TVs and monitors. If you need a TV or monitor upgrade, this is definitely going to be the year to do it. For $400, you can get a 75-inch QLED 4K TV. And if we look at the Keepa price chart here for new, and then we go to the whole time of the listing, this is the absolute lowest price right now. I mean, the same TV earlier this year was, or around fall, this was going for about $750. And there are many other TV options out there. Make sure you install the free app Keepa to get like a good price tracker so you can see how good of a deal what you're getting actually is on Black Friday. This is definitely not a bad deal at all. So if you need a monitor or if you need a TV for your gaming setup or just your entertainment room, definitely be checking those deals. And now for the monitor side, for $400, you can get an OLED 27-inch 240 hertz monitor. I've been wanting to get an OLED for a minute now, but OLED is just so expensive. Earlier this year, this was like $470. It went up in price around the summertime, but this is its all-time low right now, like right at $400. This is one of the best deals you're probably going to find on an OLED. I might pull the trigger on this one. We'll see. And now for some other peripherals, keyboards. Now I know there are so many keyboard choices. Let me help you narrow it down though with this option right here for $64. This is the F75 Pro. This is wireless, and it looks like it has fluctuated in price a bit over the past 3 months, and then over the year it's fluctuated quite a bit. This does seem to be the lowest price it's been. It started the summer off about $80. Honestly, for a keyboard of this quality, it's hard to find it less than that. So this is not a bad deal at all. And for number 5, the Logitech G305 is one of the most popular mice. And for $28, it's really hard to beat, especially if you're trying to finish your full peripheral set and you're struggling to find a good mice for a good deal. It didn't look like there was that many options for Black Friday as far as mouse deals, but this is definitely by far one of the best. And they have a lot of data for new listings here on Keepa. And as you can see, this has fluctuated in price quite a bit over the years. This is all the way back in 2018. And in 2020, it just skyrocketed in price. And then all the way to this year, where you can get this mouse for about $30, jumped up, but but right now it is the cheapest it's been all year, it looks like. So if you are looking for a classic gaming mouse, the Logitech G305 won't disappoint. Not the highest end, but still very good. And don't forget, if you need a PC upgrade or looking for your first gaming PC this holiday season, check out PCBros.tech today. We have been shipping things out extremely quickly. We are very on it. This is, I believe, our 5th Black Friday. So we have a lot of experience, and especially if you order it this week or next, you can most likely expect your PC to get here by Christmas, depending on where you live. But just make sure you don't wait too long, because we do get really busy this time of year, as you could probably imagine. But thank you all so much for watching this quick Black Friday video. Let me know in the comments down below, what is the best tech deal that you have found so far this year? I'll see you all in the next one.